Hi, today we are making sushi. This is the part about rice. So you'll need 2 cups of sushi rice and you need to wash it until water becomes clear. You cook it in proportions 1 to 1.2, so 20% more water than rice. Stir it very rarely and put it on high heat until boiling and then reduce the heat. In the meantime, make seasoning, so you add sugar, salt and rice vinegar. Warm to dissolve, let water be absorbed, and then transfer rice delicately with a wooden spatula. Pour seasoning evenly and mix all together. Eat a little when no one is watching. And everyone's hungry because you're making it so long. Cool it down and prepare the other ingredients in the meantime. Enjoy!